EDEC 364 Curriculum Methods for Math and Science. And my name is Jim Powell. Dr. Powell, I am the instructor for this course, and I look forward to meeting you, and I look forward to this class. I get really excited about math and science and how to teach that to those content areas to young children because it is so critically important. So anyway, we're going to have fun this semester. I wanted to send you a quick video just showing you how to navigate Blackboard, how to navigate the Padlet, which is where all of our content will be, and you'll find information for class and so forth, and the dates that will be in person and the dates you'll be doing virtual work. So that will all be there. It will be in Blackboard, and then the Padlet is where all the content that you'll need will be as well. And then finally, you'll have some assignments that will be in Screencastify, where you'll have to go in there and do a video to present. So I'll go over that as those three things and give you a quick rundown on that. So first thing you're going to do is go to your Blackboard. So if you go here to My AU, click on Blackboard, it will take you to your Blackboard. You may have to log in. I've already been logged in, so I don't have to. I'm going to go here to Courses, and you'll see all these courses. This is what mine looks like, but you'll find your courses. This is the 364 here, so I'm going to click on that. And at first, it's going to show you some announcements there when you first log in, and so you can read those. I posted those last night, and then click here. Oops, sorry, I went to the announcements. You can go to those and read those if you want, but you don't need to. So you're going to go back here to Contents, go to Start Here. You'll see the welcome message. You can read that. Course Overview. And then next you'll see information about me and so forth. And then next you'll see the course syllabus. So you click on that and you'll be able to see the syllabus for the class. Everything you need is also dates and everything will be in the syllabus, and you'll be able to see those things there. You can also download the syllabus if you'd like to have a paper copy or a copy on your computer. So if you go down here, Neely and I will be teaching this course. When you go down to the bottom here, you will see a list of all the activities or the assessment criteria, the different projects you'll be working on. And then if you continue to go down, you'll see those assessments or the projects and how many points they're each worth, and then a grading scale. And then these are all the learning standards that are aligned to this course. So you can read through those and see what you'll be learning. So we're going to go back now. So that's the syllabus. If you go next to course content, here you'll find the Padlet link. And I'll come back to, let's do that now. So you click on that and it will bring up our Padlet for the course. When you get to the Padlet, there's two ways to navigate the Padlet. One is to use the scroll bar at the bottom. Whoops, sorry about that. You scroll bar and scroll across, and you'll see the Padlet is organized into columns by days. Here's the welcome column, and it has some good information in there. The first one of the activities you're going to do is a Screencastify activity right here at the beginning, but we'll come back to that. And then each column, there's a scroll bar next to it that scrolls down to show you more content there. So this is information for the first day, and there's an activity here for you to do in a video. Here's September 3rd. That will be in person at Lorain County Community College in the classroom here. I think it's 211. And then there's some information here about CER. We'll fill that in. But you'll see there's a lot of columns that are empty. We'll fill those in as we go, and content will appear there. So keep going back to the Padlet and finding the content. You'll see due dates and other information in the Padlet as we go across. And then over here at the end, there's a list of resources for you that you can use as well. So you can see here December 9th, December 3rd is in person. That's our last in person class, and this is finals week. So anyway, that's the way you navigate the Padlet. Going back to the Blackboard. So course materials. If you click here, you'll see the book for this class. Our books, there's 2 books. Waiting for that to come up here, and you'll see here EDC 364, Teaching Elementary Math to Struggling Learners, and then Watch Your Evidence, Engaging Students. And those are 2 really good books. So you'll be able to access those here, or if you like a hard copy, you can get those too. You can also get them off of eBay for fairly cheap if you decide to do that as well. Going back to here, if you go to content and assignments, click on that. It will show you all the assignments. There's a couple discussions here that get us started about your favorite math teacher and your science teacher. And to do those, you just click on that, and then it will give you the directions here, and then you just post a response there about those discussion items, the first 2 discussion items. And then it will go into each assignment. This one's the interviews and knowledge paper that you're going to do, and we'll talk more about that. The hook, math book, midterm exam, math game, final, and then your evidence journal, and then a STEAM or family unit. And that gives you all the information about the course there as well. So you can also go here to announcements, and you'll see those announcements. Keep going across discussion. You'll see those 2 discussion items. Gradebook, it will show you all of those items. And I'm not in student preview, but if you go to student preview, it will show them in a list for you. Let's go back to those. Back to gradebook. So you can see here the grade book and a list, so you have all those listed with the due dates. Just to show you quickly, when you go, let's say for example here, math book, and you click on the instructions and you read that, here is where you would upload or post your content, your project, and then you hit submit at the bottom. Finally, let's look at the Screencastify. So if we go back here, and we're going to go back to that first column, I would like for you to use the Screencastify link here to submit a video introducing yourself. Tell us about what you get excited about this course. What do you think is going to be in the course, and why would that be exciting for you? Also, what scares you about the class? Tell us about that, and then what you would like to learn during the class. So here's how you do the Screencastify. So you click on the Screencastify link. It comes up here, gives you the directions, and then you're going to hit start recording. When you first go to Screencastify, it may ask you to log in, which is real easy. You just put in your email and things like that. And then once you log in, it may also ask you if you would allow the program to access your webcam and also your microphone. And then you would just click up here in the left-hand corner to say that, to accept that you would allow it to access your microphone and things. So that's Screencastify. Giving you a lot of information. I will be doing a lot of things in video, so you'll find those. in appearing in the Padlet from time to time, or also in Blackboard. So have a great day, and I look forward to working with you. If you need anything as we get started, please feel free to contact me and let me know. Thank you. Take care.